Tired of looking at AI-generated images that just don't hit the mark? What if you could compare two top AI platforms, Gemini and ChatGPT, and see which one creates the most realistic visuals? Hey everyone, welcome back to AIChief. I'm Josh, and today we're diving into the battle of the AI's Gemini versus ChatGPT and testing which one produces the most lifelike images. What's the challenge? Gemini and ChatGPT are both powerhouse AIs, but when it comes to generating images, do they deliver the same realism? Let's find out. Gemini uses advanced algorithms to generate ultra-realistic images from text prompts. It excels in adding rich textures, vibrant colors, and fine details, producing lifelike visuals that can be used for everything from art to advertising. On the other hand, ChatGPT focuses on text-based AI, working with integrated image generation tools to produce visual content. While its image outputs are great, does it match the level of realism that Gemini provides? Let's see. How do they compare? Gemini shines with high-resolution images, capturing complex details and lifelike shadows. ChatGPT, while excellent in content creation, doesn't generate images on its own, but works with other AI tools that can create impressive visuals, though sometimes lacking in fine details. Who should use which? For artists, designers, and marketers aiming for polished, realistic visuals, Gemini is the clear choice. ChatGPT, however, is perfect for those who need powerful text generation combined with creative image tools for content ideas. Which one wins? If pure realism is your goal, Gemini takes the crown for its exceptional image generation. But ChatGPT still has a strong edge when it comes to integrating text with creative visuals. Ready to explore your creative potential? Gemini is your go-to for hyper-realistic visuals, but ChatGPT remains a top choice for combining content and images. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AIChief for more AI insights and reviews.